Hello, my name is Sergio with Kansas City Business Operations. In this screencast, I'm going to show you three things that you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business and fire safety construction. Now, the first question is usually along the lines of why you should do this. Well, partner, oftentimes in the world of the internet, most owners are too busy running the business to learn how the internet can benefit them and their company. Now, sometimes the only hesitation that they have with hiring someone is that they don't know who is an expert and who isn't. I find by giving people an easy tap plan of things that they can do to impact the business for free has resulted in those local owners still raising their hands saying, I like you, Sergio, can you please do this for me? So, if by the end of the video you like what you heard, you can see skills that help your business grow and land more customers, you should message back in chat. Or, if you simply want to take this free tag plan and try it yourself, that works for me too. But before you try to do it yourself, please let me show you three things that will set your company above your local competition. And the first thing I like to go over is your content. So, in order for a business to be fully optimized to Google or at least their website, your landing page, aka homepage, needs at least 1,500 words to fill the keywords. Now, I found your site currently has about 150 words currently. So, in comparison to one of your competitors, I'll be going over General Contractor, New York City. And I did a quick search for them over content. And they have about 286 words currently. So, every month people are searching for these keywords a number of times. This shows how rich keyword content is such a powerhouse authority for Google. And you miss out on not being number one for these keywords. So as you can see when I pull up this tool called Aris, now this tool shows what your site is actually dense with. So as you can see, you have 6 backlinks, 3 foreign domains, and 3 organic keywords. So going deeper into your organic keywords, I'm going to be going over volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, and position. So every keyword has each one of these tabs, right? So the volume means 40 people are searching this keyword every month. The KD meaning, KD meaning this is how hard it is to rank on a scale of 0 to 100. So you have a 0, you're in first position. So you're driving about 16 traffic out of this 40 volume for this keyword. It's not too bad, right? So let's go over to your competitor. Now they have about 300 backlinks, 88 referring domains, 141 organic keywords. So as you can see, you have volume, KD, cost per click, traffic, position again. But you can see they have a lot more volume with these keywords. So total homes, total home improvement, or home improvement services, total home improvement services, right? You can see he's ranking number 1 for this total home improvement service. Out of 30 volume, he's getting 10 people coming back to his site using this keyword. Now, he's also in the first position for this one, bringing in 88 people out of this 250 people searching this keyword per month. And it's a 44 rank, so he's doing pretty good. So if we go further down, right, so construction companies in New York City, or NYC. There's 350 volume being searched for this keyword. But since he's in 29th position, he's barely even getting one person from this keyword. So if he got this up to 1, he'd be probably bringing in over 100 people per month to his website using this keyword. So now you should know a little bit about what goes in the keyword and how it helps your content. Let's move on to the next optimization section, and this is the second most important thing I like to talk about. We call this the Google Map Pack or Maps. So I did a search for New York City contractors, and you see this map pack right here. Every tab you have a business, and every business you have a business name, you have a business address, you have a business phone number. So this is NAPS, right? Name, address, phone number, aka NAPS. So you're probably asking, hey, how do I rank in maps? Well, using your ratings, of course, you want 5-star ratings as many as you can get, and this will definitely boost your authority. But using our SEO method, we can use citations. So we're going to pull up YSpark, which is another resource we use, and we can see how many citations that you currently have. Now this is boosting your authority on your Google Maps as well. So use these citations, aka NAPs, are submitted word for word into directories such as Yellow Book, White Book, CityStar, so on and so on, Bing, Yelp, MapQuest. Even Facebook has an area to where you can submit a citation. So doing these, you want at least 100 200 of these so you can start ranking in the map pack with your competitors. Now, the third thing I like to go over with you is another important aspect of Google. We call this thing that gives us out authority, link juice. So going back to the search of NYC contractors, you scroll down, we can see all the organic listings. So you can see Sweeting.com, NYC, that's a Gov, Brownstoner, Home Builder Digest, General Contractors. These are all ads, so on and so on. But this is where you want to be, all right? And you get there, you need to be out the competition in every aspect. So the link juice simply put it works like this: site A is pointing to site B, therefore site A is acting like link juice, which gives site B more authority in Google's eyes, almost like a popularity contest. But there's more to it than just that. The link juice you obtain works a lot more effective when you have relative sites again back at you. So, for example, if you have a relative site, say, sweeten.com linking back to you, be a lot more effective than like a pizza linking back to you because you don't sling pizzas for a living. Now, anyways, let's go back to Ahrefs and pull up your backlinks, right? And you can see you have about 6 backlinks, and this is a little bit of link juice. And if you're looking to use a site or use this tool, I pay about $100 a month and scared to check out any link juice that any sites have to offer. But see, you can scroll down, you have this much link juice. You see where it's coming from and where it's going to. Pretty neat, right? Well, same thing you can do with your competitors. You go to their website, you search them, and you go to their backlinks. So load. You scroll down, you see where they're coming from, where they're going to. Sometimes you can find out what keyword they're using to rank that for their page. You can take every single one, keep going down, take every single one. This is how you obtain easy link juice. So, once again, went over content, citations, and link juice. Your front page needs at least 1,500 words for the keywords, so you can finally get to optimize with some more backlinks on that page using those keywords. Citations, you want at least 100, 200, maybe 300, so you can start ranking in New York City with your business. Now, link juice. You need more relevant sites pointing at you guys to show Google your authority. And if you implement these strategies today, you will be number one across Google. So I bet you're wondering what now? Well, you can either go with this information provided today and do this on your own. I'm totally cool with that. However, if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, give me a call at 816-654-5822. Once again, my name is Sergio. My number is 816-654-5822. And I look forward to hearing from you. You have a good one. Bye-bye.